Gator Pit, Texas, Rich Robin right here. I want to walk you through this custom that we did for a customer that is going to go to his ranch out in Texas, his hunting camp, actually, hunting ranch. We have a 20 diameter quarter wall by 48-inch main chamber, single door, counterweighted. Inside you got your upper and lower sliding food trays. Makes it real easy to get access to meat on the lower rack, as you can see there. Top rack also slides in and out very easily. Internal flange doors, stainless steel cool touch handles, one hand open and close. You got some nice Gator Pit commercial gauges there. Gator badging. Made in America, made in the USA. Stainless steel badging on the stack. And we have a 1/2 inch thick by 20 by 20 square firebox, dial air intake vents, stainless steel cool touch handle, fully flanged. Inside we've got a sliding grill grate. There's a top grill door that's 1/2 inch as well. You can see there, that is solid steel, guys. That's some serious steel. There's that grate that slides in and out. 1/2 inch thick door. You can see the wall thickness right there. That's crazy thick. And here, 1/2 inch all the way around. And you got a sliding pan, or not a pan, a sliding fire grate. That's 1/4 inch thick as well. And then this is actually a little table that sits on top of the grill firebox. Let me show you that to you. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. This actually sits on top like so. And now he can put stuff up here and just warm it up. Serves like a little table up there. I don't know if he has any intentions of cooking on it. It's not what it was designed for, but it was designed to be able to put stuff up here just to keep warm off of the heat coming off that firebox. Pretty neat little deal there. Anyway, you got a nice big 14-inch front shelf, paper towel hanger, heavy-duty greasable casters, all-weather casters. We got D-rings, folding D-rings here. Makes it easy to strap it to a trailer and haul it around. You got a 2-inch drain, big drain, and then you got a side access door that's flanged out. And also, if you wanted to grill in this big side over here, 48-inch side, he's got a 1/4 inch thick fire grate that's reinforced with a 1/4 inch flat bar. That'd be great. Gator Pit quality, guys. Back side of it, pretty neat deal there. Nice Gator Pit. Y'all ought to enjoy this at their hunting camp, or ranch rather, out there in Texas. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. There's our contact information. Emails info@gatorpit.net. You can get that email address off that website at gatorpit.net. God bless America. Gator Pit, made in USA. Rich Robin, see ya.